Welcome to the Virtual Showcase
It
Home.
looks like a heck of a mess when we're doing this process. However, everything, as you can see, the fellow behind me, it vacuums up. We vacuum it up, it goes back in and remixes with the dry material coming out of the truck and blended to the consistency for dry spray cellulose. And when we get finished with houses, they're normally more clean than they are when we arrive. Okay. Another thing about our guarantee insulation is that we went to the Board of Appeals of the ICBO code and have written approval not to have to put a vapor barrier on the inside, the warm side of a building wall. And the reason for that is of its mold and rodent control, and it's hygroscopic. Hygroscopic means that it passes moisture through at a particular perm rate and will not build up in the walls. We also do a glue spray cellulose for inside metal buildings, and we have photos of those on our website. One of the things that our homeowners and builders like about this our system is that when the house is clean, when we come to spray, we will actually spray the backs, ends, and underneath the tubs, and we fill it up. And what it will do for you is it's like taking a shower in a cast iron shower. There's no noise when you're taking the shower, and if you're taking a bath, it will hold its water temperature within 3 degrees for an hour. Just an hour ago this was sprayed, and what I mean about the dry spray cellulose, with our system you can actually come in and start sheetrocking this afternoon. We spray with less than 7% moisture, and the contractors like it because they can schedule their drywall right away. On our ceilings, in the winter time, which is coming right up, we take and we come in and block the eaves. If you can see the eaves up there, and put the air vents in. We do that, and then the contractor comes in and has the ceiling sheetrocked and provides heat when we're spraying. We do the attic first to hold the heat in, and then we do the sidewalls. Typically now, since it's still warm, we go ahead and do it like this, and then we come back and do the attics. And we use the same product in the attics, a stabilized cellulose in the attic. Our product will settle approximately 7%, and we overblow it so that when it settles down, it will still have the R value that we sold you. And if it does not, we'll come back free and reblow the attic. My crew members have been with me for about 16 years, and they know what they're doing. When we go into a house, they just do it, and that's really hard to find, and it took a long time to develop a crew like that just can come in and knows what to do. This is Asu Lopez, who's been with me for about 7 years, and this is Danielle Duenas, who's been with me for 13 years. I have other crew members that have been with me about the same amount of time. Well, this is one of our trucks, one of 3, and it isn't very pretty right now. We've repainted and we've got to get new signage. We no longer have our office in Brandon, South Dakota. We have one in Dakota Dunes, South Dakota, and one in Sergeant Bluff, Iowa. And the truck is kind of undone. I've developed this equipment And because of DOT regulations, most equipment is so heavy that you have to have a CDL license to drive it around. This truck actually will hold 160 bags of insulation, 300 bags of water. The hopper on the machine will actually spray a house this size with only filling the hopper twice. So that leaves us to where we only need 3 men on a crew.